Hey, this is Drake 256 Garage. We got a little quick tip for you. Any of y'all got a 99 to, what's that? Well, that runs plumb up to like...
Or about any door panel.
Yeah.
Any door panel with something like that on it.
Yeah, and this happens to be a 2000 model?
99 F250.
99 F250, and this little piece right here had fallen off of the door panel. So, what we done is we took and put it back up in the door panel and pushed on it as hard as we could get and marked it with a Sharpie. And then we took and drilled a hole through this and then found this little piece of metal. What this actually was a piece that holds the door locks. You know, your door lock goes through the door, and then this little spring would go over the back side of it to hold it from falling back out. And we took and cut it to where it fit. And we drilled a hole the right size and just slid that through there.
Because it's supposed to have something right there.
Well, it's supposed to, from the factory, that was pushed through and then melted. Kind of like, you know, when you got the rivets and you brad it on the other end. It's kind of what that was. And then, of course, just over time, that ain't stuck and just breaks loose. But so what we done, we drilled a hole and stuck that through there. And like I said, we pushed it up tight as we can get it and then drilled the hole. That way it would have pressure. So that our little, I don't know what we want to call it, ain't really rods, but so that they don't fall back out there.
Little wire clip.
Yeah, wire clips got pressure so it don't just rattle and fall out.
But that saved from having to buy that whole piece right there.
You'd have to buy a whole door panel.
Whole door panel, yeah. Or sometimes we have, or Drake has, you might can grind them flat and put your little sheet metal screw down into that, but then you got to worry about going through the other side.
And that was the problem on this, and we couldn't find a screw short enough that wouldn't go plumb through it. But yeah, you can drill a hole in them tabs and run your screw through it to hold it, but we couldn't find the screws short enough, and we didn't want to have to washer it up.
Anyway, long story short,
yeah,
saved a lot of money.
Quick tip,
Quick tip, 3 hours later, we saved having to buy a door panel for this 99 F250. That is for sale, V10, 4-wheel drive. Put a bedside in it. That was the only thing that's wrong with it, and a rear bumper. Yep. But anyway, good driving truck. Anybody needs one, if you put the door panel back on it, be for sale.
Check in.